AVPRO is proud to present this Gulfstream G280, serial number 2177. The Gulfstream G280 sets the standard in the super midsize class for performance and economy. With a range of 3,600 nautical miles, the G280 travels both farther and faster than any super mid. The key to the G280's capabilities is the aircraft's newly designed sleek long wings and high-thrust engines, which enhance range and speed while achieving best-in-class fuel efficiency. The Gulfstream G280 holds over 75 city pair speed records, including Guernsey to Teterboro in only 7 hours and 26 minutes. Serial number 2177 entered service in August 2019 with only 718 hours flown. Loaded with $2.6 million in factory options, this aircraft makes a statement with striking exterior paint in Matterhorn white, Ferrari red, and blue and black pearl accent striping. It also has a spectacular dispatch rate and boasts a spacious and modern interior designed for 10 passengers. It offers advanced connectivity and entertainment options, including a Plainview 280 cockpit, GoGo L5 AVANCE 4G Wi-Fi, forward and aft bulkhead monitors with cabin view passenger flight information systems, Iridium Satcom flight phones, and a high-definition tail camera, heightening the flying experience. The elegant cabin includes a fully equipped galley, a 4-place club area, and a 6-place conference group with 3 console tables and 1 conference table. Gulfstream G280, serial number 2177, combines cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort, and remarkable performance, making it a preferred choice among discerning travelers in the super midsize business jet market. Presented exclusively by AVPRO. AVPRO, celebrating 30 years of excellence.